I felt like this was an oasis in the desert. Finally, something was around to help me, because I knew that he was not safe at home all day, and I had to work, so I really needed some kind of resources. So I signed him up for a couple of days a week. Well, he was not too happy with me. I told him what we were doing, and I got him up, and he got dressed this Monday morning and got in my car, and all the way from Providence to Cranston, he kept saying to me, "You're abandoning me. You're taking me to this place that I don't know anybody. How dare you do this to me, everything I did for you all these years?" But I kept going. And we took him into the center, and he was greeted, as they always are, by other patients and by the workers that were there. And he sat down, and they proceeded to give him a cup of coffee, and I snuck out the front door. So I went to pick him up at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and he was very happy about having been there all day, but he wasn't happy that I left him there. He was still kind of angry with me. The next day it was a little bit better going. He still gave me a hard time in the car, but we went to the center, and now he remembered the names of people. Fast forward a couple of weeks, and at 3 o'clock in the morning, he is at my bedside waking me up. It's time to go to work. I said, "Dad, what do you mean it's time to go to work?" "Well, I have to go see my friends at work." And it dawned on me that he meant his friends at the Hope Alzheimer's Daycare Center. Every Christmas I look back and remember what things that he did, because I have Christmas ornaments that he made at the center, and those are so special to me, to see that little tree that he made and the Christmas decoration and whatever. Even though they're made out of paper and they're not made wonderfully, they're very special to me because he made them. Even if you're afraid to think about care like this or daycare, or think that you're abandoning your loved one, you as a caregiver really need that respite. You really need that relief. Even a few hours a day, even a few days a week, it makes a big, big difference in how you are able to care for your loved one. Being a nurse, I know what good nursing care is. I know what good client care is, and you can't get any better than the Hope Alzheimer's Daycare Center.